It's got to be 24/7 on the job, so I'm gonna try to take care of that actually and see if we can kick it up. Probably gonna look weird. That guy's Chevy truck next to me with the plow on it says get it done right the first time. Oh, and if you need a Chevy, there you go. I wonder if it's four-wheel drive or not. Just kidding. So yeah, 22 gallons, about 57 bucks. Yeah, not too shabby, I guess. Pretty expensive though. I remember when filling this tank, it was about 40, 45 bucks. A long time ago, I think gas is about $1.99. And it seems to not be going down to that anymore, and that kind of sucks. So I miss those days a lot. That person is sleeping in their car. All right, so we got to make one more stop here. The sun is going down. That kind of sucks. I can feel the coldness rolling in. It says 22 degrees. I bet you right now I could check my phone, and then it would say feels like 5 degrees. And I'd be like, gosh. So yeah, this sucks. Cold weather, man. It's really cold out here. An OBS Chevy that was parked over there. It was for sale. It was about $7 grand. It's actually very good condition for how old it was, and had some pretty nice tires on it and everything. Guess it's sold. Check out this Jeep right here. Significance, really. There it is right there. So I drove one of those, actually, a four-wheel drive through the highways of Tampa, Florida, all the way down to Siesta Key. And I'm telling you, man, it was beautiful. It was so smooth and everything, handled so nice. And it's actually pretty spacious in there. Here's the thing, the Florida highways are so smooth. I merged probably between 4 different highways and you would not feel a single bump. It was the smoothest ride ever. You could tell the roads were all brand new, always kept up to date. And then when you come to Pennsylvania, it's definitely it's a big awakening, because you realize the roads here are horrible. They're terrible. Pennsylvania is one of the worst states for roads and everything.
Damn, magic with the brick voodoo. Magic. Courtside with a bad booty. Run with that set, call me boo. When I'm on stage, show me boo. Basic. Hey. Raindrops. Drop top. Smoking no roof. We got 30s and 100 rounds.
I'm now rolling in this neighborhood, and if you live in the area 717, or at least very close to my residence and went to my high school, you guys know the Cliffs neighborhood right here. It's known as this big upscale neighborhood. Everybody's wealthy, and man, I would love to live there and everything. And I would absolutely not want to live there, because you have no land at all. That person has a 5-car garage, but still you have no land. What are you doing to yourself? It's been forever since I've been on this road. It's very sad. Puts a tear in my eye, man. I miss those high school days, you know what I mean? 30 years ago. Look at that Ford, man. Car wash up here. I think I'll be able to find a good spot. So we got a truck there already. Some kind of Suburban or something. Yeah, I got the big camera with me, so it's gonna be kind of hard to do this. Oh, what do I got here? Alright, yeah, see, as you can see, I live in Antarctica right here, so I'm gonna wash her up and we'll get out of here. I made a ton of videos cleaning the truck before, so I'll bring the GoPro here one day, then we'll do another video of the film. Oh man, maybe this wasn't such a good idea. If you check out the truck, it is completely frozen. As the water was spraying out, it would freeze onto the truck. That's what 20 degrees does. Start her up and let her warm for a second, but yeah, it's completely frozen on there. It's pretty bad. It's all the way around and everything. The snow didn't come out of the bed. It's looking pretty ugly, but I mean, I guess we got the road sawed off, so benefits outweigh the costs. Oh, I can't keep doing this to myself, man. My hands are so cold, man. My hands are so cold, man. I can't keep doing this to myself. All right, I can't even see out the side. It's a tough life, man, but we're gonna get out of here somehow. Tractor on the road. Yeah, my hands are so cold. You have no idea. I should have worn gloves. I always say that over and over again. I should bring gloves with me. I never remember until it's too late. Oh, airplane is landed now. Oh, that was awesome. I don't think I've ever experienced that before, a private plane. Now, the main thing you got to remember is always get that underneath of the truck. That is the most important part. You don't want that to start rusting through or get holes through that because, well, then the integrity of your truck is horrible. It could look like the best truck, but you could be rolling down the road and that frame just splits in half and then, well, that's it. The truck is total. Well, guys, gotta give the Silverado some credit. All right, y'all, so we're trucking across the country at this point. Gotta love it how this truck has the IFS suspension, so the steering is always super tight. That's one of the things that I love the most about this truck, and also the off-road aspect on how I have a rough country lift. I have his own body lift on the truck. Very nice exhaust system. Well, basically just a muffler, but still. No, I do love this truck as I'm rolling down this road at a very top speed. So it's been a good day, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, have a nice day.